So for the next step, while we're waiting for our dough to rise, we're going to make here our everything bagel toppings. So we need garlic in here, minced garlic, and salt, and minced onion or onion flakes, and sesame seeds. We also need here poppy seeds for our everything bagel toppings, but for some reasons we cannot find it here in the malls, or we also tried to find it from Lazada, but we couldn't find it. So we just have to use these stuffs. So we're going to start making this. So we have to put the garlic, and minced onion, so it depends on you guys, how much ingredients would you like to put in here. So for me, I use I put 2 tablespoons of onion flakes, 1 tablespoon of garlic flakes, and 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. And 1 teaspoon of salt. So we just have to mix it. And there you have now your everything bagel toppings.